Those who might be curious, if you've ever wanted to mute your microwave so it doesn't make a bunch of beeps, and there isn't a button here that says something like hold to mute, just press and hold the 2 button until it beeps. Or doesn't beep. And then no matter how many times you press it after you press and hold it till it beeps, it will make no sound. And then to reverse it, all you have to do is press and hold on that same button again, number 2, until it beeps. And then all of the sounds are back. So that's how you mute your microwave if it doesn't have a dedicated mute button, because some of them do. Some of them have like a little note underneath of a button, like right here, that says press and hold for 2 seconds to mute. So yeah, hope you find that helpful, and have a good one.